can't expect my house to side with those wildling public safety COE invaders.
We didn't invade, we were invited.
Easy, Ghost. Easy. My lords, my father always used to say is that we find our true friends on the battlefield or college campuses.
The rival colleges have been defeated. The war on registration is over.
If the college maesters are right, it will be the busiest semester in 40 years.
The war for registration is not over. I promise you, sister. The true enemy does not wait in enrollment lines. Hesitation leads to missed opportunity.
But registration is over.
It's too late to enroll.
I have hordes of unregistered free folk.
You, Lord Andrew, service people who want to be firemen, but they missed the call. Lord Justin, you service people who want to be engineers, but they missed the call. And you, Lord George, service people that want to be businessmen, but they missed the call. Those would-be students have dreams that should not be forgotten. HCC remembers.
The war for registration continues, and we'll be there to fight for student success.
We are HCC! We are HCC! We are HCC! We are HCC! We are HCC!